రేపు మళ్ళీ ఏదో ల్యాప్టాప్ నుంచి జాయిన్ కాల మొబైల్ నుంచా అదే రికార్డింగ్ ఆప్షన్ ప్రొవైడ్
అవుతున్నాను
చేద్దాం.
మా ఒక 2 minutes అవుతున్నాను. మీన్ వైల్ గా మొబైల్ లో లాగింది.
సరే సరే. రే రాజశేఖరు, ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసావా?
అసలు
ఆ?
ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ కొట్టి జిమ్ పోయినా రావట్లేదు బాబాయ్.
ఎక్స్ట్రాకి పెట్టి జూమ్ పోయినా రావట్లేదు ఇదిరా.
ఇది వీడియో ప్లేయర్ నాట్ సపోర్ట్ అని వస్తుంది.
వీడియో
వీడియో ప్లేయర్ నాట్ సపోర్ట్ అని వస్తుంది.
మరి వీడియో ప్లేయర్ నాట్ సపోర్ట్ అంటే ఏదో అది దేంట్లో రాదో దాన్ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే రైల్దో దాన్ని టక్ 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 ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అయినా సరే ఏదైనా సరే ఏ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చిందో ఆ ఎర్రర్కి వెంటనే గూగుల్లో కొట్టాలి.
బిఎల్సి చేశాను ఫైల్స్ అది రావట్లేదు.
ఇప్పుడు వెంటనే ఆ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు గూగుల్లో కొట్టామనుకో అప్పుడు నీకు ఆప్షన్ చూపించింది. అది ఏది సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుందో ఆ వీడియోని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవటం అంతే.
నాకు ఈ 2 రోజులు బాగా బిజీ అయిపోయాను.
పర్మిషన్ ఇచ్చాను మళ్ళీ. ఏదో ఒకటి అన్నట్టు ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఈ విధంగా రాలేదన్నప్పుడు నాకు ఇదే వాట్సాప్లో చేస్తే నేను నీకు చెప్పేవాడిని కదరా.
అదే అన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి చూసుకున్నా అయినా రావట్లేదు.
ఓకే స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా? సో ఎస్టర్డే వాట్ అండ్ ఆల్ వీ డిస్కస్. సో we discussed some activities, right? So when we go to those activities like data table activities, right? So we have seen like get row item we need to see and some of the things. Okay, look up okay. So we have seen like generate data table from text and then join data tables. We have seen lot of, and then yesterday I have provided one. There are 2 assignments. One is get the color and how to take the letters from a word. So anybody tried that? మహేష్, నువ్వు యాక్చువల్గా నువ్వు పెట్టింది చూశాను నేను. కాకపోతే అది వచ్చేసి మామూలుగా నువ్వు ఏ టెస్ట్ ఇచ్చావో అదే టెస్ట్ కదా మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది. కాకపోతే నాకు ఎలా కావాలి ఇప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఒంగోలు దాన్ని ఏదో చెప్పారు కదా నువ్వా? ఒంగోలు అని చెప్పి నాకు ఎలా ఉండాలి అది డిస్ప్లే అనేది ఐ అనేది ఒకటి.
ఓకే
ఇంకా బాగున్నాయి ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాయి.
what we have to do is okay, so when we go when you are talking about regular expressions, I will tell you the solution. Okay, so how to that is very important actually, even to get the answer. See, I told if you are not able to get it, just Google it, then check in forums. Okay, forums.uipath.com. Correct? We will okay, so we will continue our session so we'll see one activity and then we will jump into get row item. Correct? So in order to use get row item, Excel application scope or the easiest one is take the Excel application scope. In the Excel application scope, I am going to take some example, and then here so in order to read the data, we have to use read range activity, right? So when I use read range activity, what is the output? Data table, right? And then once we read the data, what do you have to do for each? Correct? So we need to read row by row. So here I have to use the data table as in, and here we have to body. So in the body, get a row item. Okay, so here data table row. So here we will pass this row in. So what is this? Current row. Okay, and what is the column name we would like to use? Okay. For example, as of now we will use index. Okay, so I want to take the first and then so what is the output we will get? The value. There is no. Okay, so control K, value. So here what do we have to do? This is for all the row I can get it, but I don't want to do that. So let's for each row value. I try to use break. I am disabling this and like no, I'm also disabling this.
Yeah.
Table, oh sorry. So I used a wrong file, no? There is no data. Right click on copy, sorry, copy as path. Use the same here. And run now. We got the answer, and then I applied break. So this is how we will use. Okay, this is how we will use. And sort. Okay, now so I took sheet 2 and I'm saving this file. Okay, so here read range, and then see here like no, did you get row item like no, how you are using? So we use for each loop, and then what are the get row item, so current row we pass. So what is the like no, based on the, so I have provided the first like no, column name. So here index, rather than passing column name, I used index. Okay, I can use column name as well. So we will get the like no, what are the like no, item we are expecting. That means the value from the corresponding row. That item we will get. Okay, this is about get row item. Okay, so now what we are like now saying that how to merge two tables. So I am going to use another read range activity, because I need two tables now. Because of this I am going to use. So that is the reason like now I copied the another like now the data into sheet 2. I use sheet 2. So I can make it as, this is Control K, data table 2, and this one I will make it as data table 1. Control K, data table 1. Okay, so this one I will do. Merge. Come to the properties. Okay, so what is the source? The source is, I use data table 1. Okay, and so here missing schema action. What do you say? Add. I don't know even what it is. So here destination data table is Control K. So user, sorry, data table. So use like we will see first data table. Okay, whether we will be adding the data into the data or not, merging. So, and then use box. So where the data table is available, the merging data is like no destination, right? just use row count. Now run this. See, object reference not set to instance because there is no data in the data table, destination data table. That is the reason. So we got that error. So we will use now data table 2. So here data table 2 dot rows count. Data table 2 is not declared. It may be inaccessible. Oh. Just go to variables. Make it as sequence. Make it as still having the same issue. And this we have seen some options right here. Yeah, missing schema. Consider ignore. What is this? So okay, so what is this means? Match data table in UiPath. Nothing. Just to see. See, like no, what are the information you would like to know about? What are the activities? I am telling like no, most of the sessions. So we have to use our reference is docs.uipath.com. Merges the destination with the source, indicating whether to preserve the changes, how to handle missing schema in the source. That is the use of using merge data table. So destination merging schema. Specify the action to take if there are schema issues when merging the two data tables. Okay. So what does that mean? That means, see, schema is nothing but whenever you are defining a table, so you will get some uh, 1 minute, friends. So here source like no, if you miss any one of the schema issues, that means schema is nothing but a definition of the table. Maybe like no, in one of the table will have a primary key value and another table there is no primary key. Okay, how it will merge it? Okay, so one minute. There is some issue in office, so people are trying to chat. Okay, so uh, this is whenever see, missing schema is nothing but in one table I have a primary key value. So another table, the primary key, there is the difference in the primary key value. So that is missing schema, and the number of columns in one table will be different in number of columns in another table. So in that case merge will not happen. That is the reason there are different actions like properties. Okay, here so we don't need to, if you miss anything it will add and correct it. So ignore means if there is any changes it will ignore and perform the merge. That is the otherwise add with key. That means if you want to add anything see if primary key any primary key value is missing, so if you want to add it, so you will use this. Okay, that is the different way, different what is that, types of missing schemas. Okay, so this is all about data table. See, this data table is very important, friends. I would request please practice each and every activity. Okay, and so make sure that what is the input you are going to provide and what is the output you will get it. Okay, this is all about a data table. And the next one is okay, so what we see, Excel. Okay, so now I have a, this is also one of the very important feature in UiPath. I have a data available in SQL Server. Okay, so SQL Server I have a data in database. So you should know whenever you if you want to get the job in UiPath, so you should know some SQL queries and how SQL works. That means what is SQL Server and how you create a table for, so we will have w3 schools dot okay. So here search like, what is it, SQL server, right? SQL server. కుమార్, నేను అసలు చూడలేదండి, మెయిల్ ఓపెన్ చేయలేదు, నేను బయట ఉన్నా. Okay, so what do we search? Here we search it for SQL server. So SQL server. Oh, this is Google. So I don't want Google. So tutorials. See, everything here it is there. See, because you don't know anything about what is SQL, okay, and like now how to create a table, just like that. Like now, in order to like now just glimpse on that, in order to get some insight into that. So then this is one of the, like now even to learn C#, okay, like now how to write a code, okay, what is C#, in order to know. So here SQL. See, okay, select a query. How to use select a query? See, select a column name, column 1, select star from table. Okay, simple statements. So you don't need to go like no what is that, brief into or like no in depth into the SQL. So whatever they are defined. So how to write a SQL query, and how to write a like now if they provide like now if they put some condition, how to write with this. Okay, that is enough. Okay, see whatever like now here they define, right, you just go through that. That is enough. You don't need to like now you don't need to create any stored procedures. Like now there are some triggers, there are some functions, there are some views, and there are a lot of things. So you don't need to worry about all these things. Just need to know like now how to apply joins, okay, and what is group by, okay, and these are all whatever it is there. So these are all enough. See, everything is there. So this is enough. Like now rather than going like now in much details about that, so it is simply you can learn about this. Okay, come to here. So the shortcut is SSM, SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, oh SSMS, right. SQL Server Management Studio. Open this. See, now we are going to see one of the use case. Like, see, yes, like now as of now we have seen what are the activities related to a use case called data table. Okay, how to create a column and how to first build a table, so with the column names, and how to add the row and how to add a value and how to add a column. Okay, and then how to retrieve it, so how to apply some of the things. See, this is my server. So I am using authentication mode as Windows authentication. So there are two authentication modes, Windows and so SQL Server authentication. When it go for Windows, so it doesn't require like no any username and password, and click on connect. Okay, so now come to the SQL Server tools, new query. Select a new query. New query is nothing but where we are going to write a query. Okay, so I have created a database called UiPath. Okay, so here select, see here, like now here simple statements we will use. Select the star from table, that's it. Okay, select the star from okay. So we don't know what all the tables are available, correct? Just go to expand this databases and again expand on UiPath. So under, see how this could be. This is under database diagrams, under table, under views, so under the external resources, and then synonyms, programmability, like service broker, storage, security. So what we need is, so we need to get tables. So what are the tables are there? So the table name is empdt. So use, so whenever I type em, so automatically it is highlighted with the table which is available in that. Just tab. Okay, click on the shortcut is press F5, or see on top of this there is one button, run, execute. So we have some data. What are the data? Employee name, employee number, name, gender, and age. So now, so we need to fetch the data. See, this is also one of the requirement. See, whenever you are working on real time, so there are some kinds of requirements as the input. See, one is Excel. See, whenever you are attending an interview, whenever you are supposed to enter an interview, so how is your requirements? How you will get the data as input to the bot? So either Excel, or you have to either database. You have to log into the database and see. That means fetch this data and put it into you have to fetch the data and put it into table. So after that, right? So we will use however we want. So dot item, correct, right? So in order to use the value to the input, so what we have to use? We have to use as a row. Okay, current row dot item of that column name we have to pass, right? So we start from here. So I got this data. So this is the input to my bot. This values are the input to my bot. So how we will take the data from database. So now remove everything. So in order to get it, sorry, here nothing, no. So first go to manage packages. Under select all packages. This is also very important in interview question. See, there is no here. What we have to do is I'm select no cancel this, and here I am using. So there is one of the activity called connect. See, I am unable to find that connect. Check, is there any CONN? Sorry, CONN. See, okay. So I did not find like a charger better. నా దానికి లేదు ఛార్జర్ okay. So I did not find any the corresponding activity. So if I did not find the except these four, what are the activities? UI automation, system, email and Excel. Except these activities. So if you want to use any other activities, or you have to go to manage packages and you have to download these packages. This is called like where the packages needs to be download from. Okay, or you can refer these packages, or we can tell it's a packages or libraries. Okay, so here just select all packages and SQL, type SQL. So you don't need to do anything, automatically it will search. So whenever you type, automatically it will search. So here SQL, where is this SQL? So whenever you are SQL server is used. So we will get UiPath dot నువ్వేదో యూట్యూబ్లో చూస్తూ ఉండవు. UiPath dot SQL so these are all the Salesforce. Okay, you want to use go top sugar cell service now and system center, SAP cloud for customer, service now activities, Slack activities, okay, Salesforce activities, SAP BAPI activities, system activities, SQL. Hey. So yeah, UiPath dot database dot activities. Okay, so just install this one. because okay, now see what I have done. So I selected database activities and then click on here, install button will be there. No, just click on this. See, once you click on this install, so you will get, this will be highlighted, that means you will be, this will be hidden. Then just click on save. Okay, that's it. So automatically once it is saved, automatically this pop-up window will be closed, and then come to the activities. So in this okay, so just type database. See, okay, so now we have seen like now when I type data, so whenever it is matching, so it will be get connected. You will get all the details about that. So here the first activity is connect. The first activity, so first we have to connect to the database, right? Connect, and then click on configure. So here we need to configure the, what is the connection string. So I don't know, then just click on this wizard. So what is our database? See, here we can able to connect Access database. This is also important, connecting to Microsoft Access database file and ODBC. Okay, this is also we will see in the next session. And now we have to connect to the SQL server, Microsoft SQL server we have to select, because we are using the SQL server database, right? So for this we are using use this selection to connect to SQL Server 2005 or above using the .NET Framework data provider for SQL Server. So here the data provider is by default, you will have a, so you don't need to make any changes, just select it and click on OK. See, so here I got this. And what is the server name? Just here the data source already by default we got it, and here you will get the server name. So what is the server name you are trying to connect? So here when we open this, so what is the server name? This is the SQL server. Okay, so here we have to check whether you will get the server name or not. And you have to select the server name, in which server you are connecting. So here it will display what are the servers has been configured in this machine. So you have to select where the data is available. Server name I use dot. Okay, and select or enter a database name. See, I use server name as dot. So dot is nothing but what all the servers has been configured in the local machine. So it will display. Okay, so whenever I type dot, so then it get connected to that server and connected to the database. Which database you like to fetch it? So this is the database where where the data is available, right? So I have selected this is the database and click on OK. That's it. Okay, and this here what is there? So what is your provider? You have to select, this is the provider, So this provider is system.data.sql client, because we are using SQL database, right? So I have selected SQL client. Come to the properties. So see, I have configured the connection, and provide name I selected system.data.sql client. And what is the output? It is a database connection. So for DB connection. Okay, and then so disconnect, if you want to disconnect it. Okay, and then execute non-query, we will see. Okay, execute query, insert and start transaction. So I'm going to take execute query. So execute query is nothing but I want to connection string. So existing, see here, what is the output we get? We get a database connection. So okay, and then execute query. So the connection already exists, right? So here I will use DB connection. So what is the provider name? So here the provider name is system.data.sql client, right? SQL client. This is the provider. So even I don't need to, I believe we don't need to provide the here SQL. Use the same information. It should not be any spelling mistake or however the string is there, the same string we have to provide. Okay, so here we have to write a command under input. So this is connecting to the configuring the connection, and then we have to provide a parameter. Parameters is, and here what is that? SQL. So here we have to write a query. Select star from. So what is the table name? EMPDT. Okay, and click on OK. So we'll see these parameters and we don't need to. So command type, what is the command type? So it's a text, right? And what is the output we get? Data table. So I will use the existing data table is the output. Okay, so what is the error? So existing database already provided, so we don't need to provide provider name. Okay, so any one input is required for configuration. So because of this, so if it is a new, then we have to provide a connection string and provider name. But this is a without this connect, we cannot use this execute query, right? So now we will see whether we will fetch the data or not. What is this? Data table dot rows count.
அந்த கொடுத்துறியா உண்டு
ఎందుకంటే నా ఆఫీస్ ల్యాప్టాప్ see here we got the result we have connect like now we got see now what I need to do is I have to write this data into the Excel. See this like now like this you will get in the interview questions. Like now they will give one assignment and they will ask you
Bye.
so I have a data like now this is the configuration. You just do and write the file into SQL. So here I am using desktop input files. So what is this? So I will give the file name as
సేమ్ నాకు కనెక్ట్ వస్తుంది సార్
slash dot excel sx ఏంద్ర నువ్వా
ఇంకా అయిపోయింది అంటే కొనుక్కున్నది ఇంకా పడుతుంది
okay so here come to the properties add headers okay and sheet name okay keep it this one starting cell okay a1 under data table so what is the data table we have to use data like now in this we have the data right data table and then so we do not have any password so now we will check whether this can be done or not why because when I use Excel application scope it will create if the file is not available but like now we are not sure that like now if there is no file with this name whether it will create or it will throw an exception we'll see okay it is done we will go and see desktop input files what is that name evening right 17 okay so it is 9:33 just now only it is generated we'll go and see okay so it is generated a new file and whatever the data like now it is there in the database it has been put it into SQL so this can be used as a input to the application this is how you have to do okay whenever they are asked whenever they ask that so do you have an experience like no to communicate with the SQL server database any database so you have to tell that like no I have an experience to connect to the SQL server and then fetch the data out of that by using like no what are the activities so there are different activities right execute query so what is this here db sorry database so connect disconnect execute non-query okay and execute query so here now we use execute query so what is execute non-query okay tomorrow we will discuss okay see I don't have time otherwise no I would have I thought to finish this one like now all the activities available in the
Talk to them.
database. But like now I have to connect to office now, so there is some issue. Okay, so tomorrow we'll speak database. Sorry, the remaining like now what is execute non-query and like now how to insert the data into the table by using this activity. Okay friends, tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you. So I don't have time to spend much with you. Okay. So is it clear? Hemant? అర్థం కదా? ఓకే ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్.